I'm Harley Smith with 60 Seconds, Products and Tips. And today's segment is called Phosphate Fertilizers, Organic or Inorganic. Now, phosphorus is the energy element and one of the limiting factors in soil. If you're going to be doing all organics, using rock phosphate, bone meal, you want to inoculate the roots with the raw microbes. They have phosphorus solubilizing bacteria, mycorrhizal fungi that unlock phosphorus from organic matter. Now, if you're going to be doing mineral fertilizers like hydroponics, don't use the microorganisms, use a phosphate fertilizer like the raw phosphorus. It dissolves crystal clear. It's immediately available to the plant. That's all the time we have today. I'm Harley Smith. Thanks for the minute.